How to change password in OneXpert app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXpert app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to change your password, you need to go to your account settings. Tap on this menu option in the bottom right. Next up, in the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. After you are in your profile settings page, in this account section, you can see this password option, and in the right hand side, you can see the change option. So in order to change the password, you can tap on this change option. So it is asking me to link and activate my phone number before. Only after that, I will be able to change the data in my account. So you can link and activate your phone number before. If you have already linked your phone number, you will be able to change the password easily. First of all, you will need to provide your old password of your account, and after that you can set up a new password for your account. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. After you reconfirm your password, you can tap on save, and that's how you can easily change a password in OneXpert app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.